Shweta ma'am are very sad. There's no puffins in the class. So, since you are not there in the school, Tanya ma'am and Shweta ma'am thought of an idea. We have made a beautiful activity bag for our puffins. And do you see a stegosaurus hanging here? Who made this? Obviously our puffins. So let's see what's there inside the bag. Oops. This is the first activity. So let's see what's there in this activity. I see a dinosaur and I also have a green Play-Doh. So what I'm going to do here is, it says use your Play-Doh to create the stripes on the Velociraptor. So this dinosaur is a Velociraptor. So let's all take the Play-Doh and make some stripes. So we're going to take the Play-Doh little by little and make small stripes like this, and we're gonna put stripes on our dinosaur. The first stripe is done. Let's put the second one. How nice! I hope puffins you all will like this. Let's see what's the next activity. So next we have make your own dinosaur. So Shweta ma'am has already made a dinosaur using balloon. It's a big round dinosaur. So what you need to do is you need to open the pouch. You have a balloon, you need to blow the balloon. Blow as big as you want. Oops. This is the size of the balloon. And you have few cutouts here. So this is the head of the dinosaur. You need to use the glue drop, which is provided inside the zip pouch. And you need to paste the head of the dinosaur. Then you'll have to take big legs of the dinosaur, and hence you complete your dinosaur. So this was the second activity. Let's see what do we have next. Okay, so we have, this looks nice. So we've got two paper plates. All you need to do is, you need to cut the paper plates in this shape. So you need to join the paper plates first. Join them together and give it a shape from here. So you can cut it to make it this shape, and once you are done with that, you can either use Fevicol or you can use glue drop to paste the two paper plates. But make sure that you do not paste from here, because you need to put your hand inside to give it the shape of a claw. So it looks something like this with a pocket, so that you can put your hand inside and it looks like the dinosaur claw. So once you are done pasting the two paper plates, you can let your Wonder Puffin paint the paper plates, and we've provided you the nails the one which is in black color, and you can paste the nails according to your choice and make it look like a claw. The second activity that we have here in the zip pouch is the dinosaur feet. So the cutout looks like this, and we also have nails in red color. You can use Fevicol, glue drop or a glue gun, and you can paste the nails like this, and once you're done, this will be the end product. And the kids can wear them, putting their feet like this, and the feet is complete. Let's see the next activity. The next activity is a very interesting activity. Let me just clear the table. Let me open the zip pouch. What do we have here? We have a dinosaur egg, and inside the bottle we have vinegar. So mamas and papas, please let your child do this under your guidance. Don't let them do it alone. You need to take the dinosaur egg. So this egg is made of baking soda, and inside this is the baby dinosaur. So you can keep the baby dinosaur, the egg, on a plate, and when you put the vinegar, you need to put little by little. When you put the vinegar, let's see what happens. The egg is breaking. It's breaking more. I can see something coming out of the egg. What's that? I see a dinosaur. Wow, and it's a Brachiosaurus. You can get this clean and you will get your Brachiosaurus. How beautiful is that? Let me keep this aside. Oops, that's all. So we have a total of 5 activities, and we hope that you enjoy all the activities. And mamas and papas, do let us know through Educa. You can post the videos of your child doing the activity or the pictures, so that we can see how it was loved by our puffins. Let's hope that you all enjoyed the activity. Till then, bye bye.